If you're like me, you have quite a few projects that could do with your attention. Forget about those for right now. Watch this video instead. And if you do, you'll see how I took a boxcar that I picked up online very cheaply, and in less than a day, less than a few hours even, I changed its appearance, and I think it looks a lot better. And it brought me some satisfaction, and I hope you'll like it too. So, here is a one-day makeover of a Lionel boxcar.
This is one of several boxcars that I purchased recently at trains.com. It was less than $10, and it's nearly new. There's nothing broken on it, so there's nothing to fix. And today, I'm going to see if I can give it a whole new look without repainting. I think I can do it in less than a day. In fact, I'm pretty sure that I can do it in even less time than it takes to edit this video. I actually really like the Toy Fair graphics, so they're going to stay. But I will be making new decals to cover up what's on the left side of the door. The Lionel catalog of 1978 showcases some of the MPC era's best products. It's also the second year that they offered the Mickey Mouse Express. From that catalog, I was able to copy some of the original graphics and then combine them with other images. Even though it's not from 1994, The Little Mermaid is of that time period. So, it goes on one side, while Mickey will go on the other. The white sides of the boxcar work especially well with white inkjet decal paper. The clear matte finish dries quickly, and the decals will be ready to use in just an hour or two. My HP 2600 printer is at least 10 years old, but the colors still look bold and the details are still pretty crisp. The mermaid decal is dark enough where I think it will hide the old graphics underneath, but I'm a little concerned about the other side. And sure enough, the outline of the old graphic is showing through. The white decal paper is simply not opaque enough to completely cover it up. If it weren't for that, this would easily have been a one-day project, maybe even just a 2-hour project. But I need to do something about that old image showing through. And that will have to wait for another video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.